Ready to repair your cracked concrete? It's easy with Drycor's three-step system, which seals and reinforces concrete, making it stronger than new. Just seal, inject, and reinforce. Drycor Pro Concrete Repair is the only retail product to use carbon fiber, the strongest man-made material in the world, and 10 times stronger than steel. Drycor Pro Concrete Crack Prep easily prepares the surface with a dual pre-mixed solution. Then Drycor Pro Concrete Crack Injection expands within the crack to prevent water or soil gases from leaking through. Lastly, Drycor Pro Carbon Fiber reinforces the repair for maximum protection against re-cracking. Drycor Pro Concrete Repair's easy three-step system is designed and engineered to seal cracks and structurally reinforce concrete, making it stronger than new.